Hey guys, today we're going to be making a notebook together. I posted a video a couple of months ago and it got some attention, and I got some questions that I think I could answer in this video. So the previous video I was working on this notebook. You might have seen me working on it, but if you didn't, this is a good start. I will be making a flexible cover notebook just like this one with a different design. I'm going to be doing with this design. So let's start. For the materials, for the cover, I use photographic paper. I like the smooth surface and I like the thickness of it. So I use the brand from Canon. Let me get it. I use this one. I got it from Amazon, and this is the material that I use for the cover. The next thing is for lamination, I use a material called BOPT, and it's a very thin material. And then when I pass on through my laminating machine, it looks like I didn't even put anything in the cover, and it looks more or less like this. So it gives you the protection and then gives you a little bit of the glossy. I don't know if you can see, not too much, which I find perfect for notebook cover. And for this project, I am also going to do some laminating work. There's a few things that I want to point out. So a couple of things changed since the last time I did this one. And there's two ways that you can go about the foiling process. First, you might have seen in my previous video that I use my laser printer to do it. So what I do is I print a design, except for the part where I want the foiling. Where I want to foil, I print on my laser printer. And then I apply the transfer sheets over where I printed on the laser printer where I want to foil. What I do is I put the paper over where I want to laminate, pass through my laminator, and then I peel it off, and the result is this. It sticks to the toner. Okay. Now, I've recently found out that there is another way to do it, and it does not involve the toner. So if you don't have a laser printer, this might be the best option for you. So I recently got a device. It's called a heat pen from Foil Quill, and it looks a little bit more like this. Let me remove this one so you can see better. So it comes with the heat pens, and this one that I got comes with three different. It comes with a fine point, it comes with a regular point or midpoint, and the thicker one. So this one I'm going to be using with my cutting machines. Few things that I want to point out, though, a quick disclaimer. So the thing is, any device that you use with your machines that is not from the brand of your machine voids the warranty. Okay, so this one is from the Foil Quill, is not from the Cricut, is not from Silhouette. So just be aware that if you choose to use it while on warranty period, it's going to void your warranty. Okay, I'm okay doing that because none of my machines are in warranty period anymore. So I am okay. I believe that Cricut has a similar heat pens like this. So if you have a Cricut, maybe you might take a look at it. It should work the same. So anyway, this is what I'm going to be using for this project. And I'm going to use the heat activated foil. This one is a toner activated, and this one is a heat activated. Okay, both of them need heat because this one needs to pass through the laminator to stick to your toner. And this one, the only difference between them is that one is a toner, this one doesn't need a toner, you just need the pen heating over it to transfer to the paper. But they're two different materials. So I got the Foil Quill, the same brand from the heat pen, and it has been working great for me. So this is what I'm going to be using today. So I will be using to bind my notebook, my Cinch machine, and I'm going to use 1/2 inch wires. So since I'm going to be making soft cover notebook, I usually don't put more than 50 sheets of paper, and I believe this size works the best. It does not look like too big or too small, and doesn't like smash the paper or anything like that. So I like this size. But if you're doing a hardcover notebook, I suggest you get like a 3/4 because this one gives you a little bit more space for the sheets, and then also to flip your notebook without damaging the paper. But for today, let's focus on the soft cover notebook and the new method for the foiling. And with that being said, I think we covered everything. Anything else I am going to add as a subtitle along the video, so you don't need to listen to my voice throughout the video. And please let me know if you have any questions, or if you have maybe something to share with me, maybe a better way to do something. I would love to hear it. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and I see you next time. Just want to do a quick side note, okay? So I'm using Silhouette Studio, and this is my design. So I create a font in here, which is separated from the design. As you can see, separated. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to come here to font. Let me make sure I select one here. And then you're going to select the font that you want. And then you're going to the sketch panel. So originally, when you create a font, it will be looking like this. So as you can see here, it's only showing the outlines of the font. So that means if you're gonna draw or if you're gonna foil, it's only gonna do like a outline of your font. So if you want filled, the font filled like I did, you need to make sure you come to the sketch panel, and you're gonna select this icon right here. Okay, so you're going to select this one, and then you're going to drop down to the minimum. I put 0.5 or 0.10, and that's what I use. So you see here it changed. Now it's a field. So when it's either drawing or the foiling is going to be covering everything and not just drawing the outline. So the next thing you need to do is you're going to click and send over here, and then in here you're going to select down here in the action. You're going to put sketch, and then here on the tool you're going to select pen holder. I'm going to drop the force to 1, the speed to 1, and the pass to 1. Okay, and here material, you're going to select the material you're using. I am using the photo paper, but cardstock works fine for me, so I just leave it like that. And then after you selected all this, you just click on send, and it should be working fine. Now, I know that Cricut has the drawing function, but it does not come with the built-in field like this. So you cannot fill a font automatically inside the Cricut Studio like Silhouette can. And that's one of the reasons why I prefer using the Silhouette. So in Cricut, it's only going to draw the outlines. Now, there are some workaround that. If you want, I can leave the link down in the description so you can check it out. I did not test that method yet, but I know there is some workaround and make it like this. It's just a lot more work, and to be honest, I just don't want to spend the time doing that, so I just use the Silhouette, and it's been working fine for me. So yeah. Anyway, so that's how I do it, and if you have questions, just let me know, and back to the video.